Yeah. Yeah. Don't erase none of that good shit in the beginning. Yeah. Spill drinks on you. Get stank on you. Yeah. Yeah. Pinky ring shit. Yeah. That pinky ring shit. Yeah. It's that pinky ring shit. The legend of Basket. Shoot out the speakers with my guns, get Jurassic. Super bad, who am I? Dolomite classic. The band who's back, hands on Angela Bassett. I handle my plastic, gon' play a bastard. No coke, dope, mixed down with acid on record. Broken down and crafted in seconds. Ladies' choice, the golden boy still peppered. Better respect it, bitch believe. I pull rabbits out the hat, tricks up my sleeves. I air out the shoulder, the shake and breathe. Fix your weave, you know my expertise.
I got my Uzi back, you do this black face at the woo was back. I got my Uzi back, you do this black face at the woo was back.
Take it back to the vehicles, leaning, getting wrecked on points. We in them authentic alley switching joints. Major general niggas, 5-star, both arms rock when coke drop. We read 100 niggas' palms. Silencers, garbage bags of hash for every cop we paid. Retired, now the nigga on smash. Gas you out your burner fast. Sway down, hating me now. Respect, get your fingers off the glass.
I got my Uzi back, you do this black face at the woo was back. I got my Uzi back, you do this black face at the woo was back.
Yo, what the fuck, yo? Yo, what the fuck y'all coming for? Get the fuck away from my door. We got big guns in here, coke over there, with blue bag and E-pill stashed under the chair. And there's sports hard black and white pig with the pink lips. Stan thought he was soft till he bit his fingers. This shit had me dying, yo. Big fat nigga bleeding, big cat nigga all season. On the beach truck, stuck with Hawaiian ice, diamond twice. The whole city thought I bought FUBU, blew you, authentic doodle. Picture the fork, iced out, 18 carat wrap between noodles.
I got my Uzi back, you do this black face at the woo was back. I got my Uzi back, you do this black face at the woo
I'm
was
for
back.
Killer P headquarters. 4 whips just poured up. I saw Johnny sipping Henny from my iced out cup with the blood. 2-way vibrating off the hip. I said, quick, me dragged off that honey dip. And what you talking? You see my gold fun sparking? Ain't trying to hear what you dogs be barking. Read the headline that was blast on today's post. Dead King thought he could ace ghost. Queen couldn't even jack bump. Probably find them in Doc Doom's black trunk. I'm up in the Wu Library, beating Malcolms, any means necessary.
John Bacardi straight up, hold the ice. So nice like New York, they had to name them twice. Name your price, I black out and change the lights. Give you the same advice that I gave my wife. Don't fuck with mine, clan give you lumps and 9. Let the smoke cloud clear so the sun can shine. Culture shock, for some of us that's all we got. Whether you're born or not, you can all be shot.
New York, legendary rhyme boss, code name Johnny Horse, bust on blind board. I smash, set it and rap for gas, predator check. You crash test, can't measure the threat. I dance on a nigga like my name's Ab Judah. Rap Barracuda, 3XL Kahuna. Sure to get it perkin' and cause a disturbance. I'm thirsty. Feel what I feel, then we can merge then. Creeping through the states in V8s and 12s. My way's out, fuck with me and breaks yourself. The noble, Sir I blast mobile. Known to blast vocals and move global on you local.
This is grown man talking. Coward, I'll split your head. I'm from the east where the streets run red from the bloodshed. Hit chef for the rice and peas. No respect for the each time with at ease. My brothers can't wait to squeeze the automatic. They need wreck like a drug dealer need an addict. Floating on a 95, sting like a killer bee. Your hands can't hit what your eyes can't see. From dark matter to the big crunch, the vocals came in a bunch without one punch. Rare glimpse from the swiftly advanced, proved unstoppable. Reputation enhanced since the cause was probable. So you compare and contrast, but don't blast through extreme depth. With a pen to hold fast. Watch the block thirst for one, became all. Shot him with the long forgotten rainfall. Delivered in a brutal fashion with simplicity. The blind couldn't verify the authenticity. The rhyme came from the pressure of heat. Then it was laid out on the ground and paved streets.
I got my Uzi back, you do this black face at the woo was back. I got my Uzi back, you do this black face at the woo was back.